Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail is a 1,700 mm, 66.9-inch, wingspan RC warbird designed for adult hobbyists and enthusiasts. This 6-channel remote control airplane is a PNP, plug-and-play, model, meaning it does not include a transmitter, receiver, battery, or charger, allowing users to customize their setup. This detailed replica of the famous Tuskegee Airman's Redtail P-51 Mustang features functional flaps, LED navigation lights, and electric retractable landing gear, enhancing realism and performance. A high-quality foam construction provides durability while keeping the weight low for better flight efficiency. Powered by a powerful 5060 kV 300 brushless motor and a 70A ESC, the plane delivers smooth and powerful flights, capable of performing aerobatic maneuvers such as loops, rolls, and inverted flight. The scale 4-blade propeller and realistic detailing make it an eye-catching model for warbird enthusiasts. Its large wingspan provides stability and smooth handling, making it suitable for intermediate to advanced pilots. The inclusion of metal trunnion landing gear ensures durability for landings. The plane also supports optional upgrades, including enhanced landing gear and improved servos for better performance. For operation, users need to purchase a 6+ channel radio system, a 6S LiPo battery, recommended 22.2 V 5000 mAh+, and a compatible charger. Assembly is straightforward, with minimal setup required before flying. Overall, the FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail is a high-performance, large-scale RC warbird that offers realistic flight dynamics, aerobatic capabilities, and detailed scale features, making it an excellent choice for warbird enthusiasts and experienced RC pilots. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Sport Cub is a 500 mm, 19.7-inch, wingspan 4-channel RC trainer plane designed for beginners, kids, and adults. This ready-to-fly, RTF, model includes everything needed to fly, such as a 2.4 GHz transmitter, battery, and charger, making it an excellent choice for first-time pilots. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, this RC airplane offers enhanced flight stability, making takeoffs, flying, and landing smoother. The 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and expert, allow pilots to progress from assisted flying to full manual control, making it ideal for learning and skill development. The powerful coreless motor and lightweight design provide efficient and stable flight performance. The propeller saver technology helps prevent damage to the propeller and motor in case of crashes, extending the plane's lifespan. Its durable EPP foam construction makes it lightweight yet crash-resistant, helping beginners avoid costly damage from hard landings. The 2.4 GHz remote control provides long-range and interference-free operation, ensuring reliable control. With a flight time of approximately 15 minutes per charge, the included rechargeable battery allows for extended flying sessions. The Sport Cub's compact size makes it easy to carry and fly in parks, open fields, and backyards. Overall, the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub is a beginner-friendly, durable, and easy-to-fly RC trainer plane with gyro stabilization, progressive flight modes, and propeller protection. It is an excellent choice for new pilots looking for an affordable and fun way to enter the RC flying hobby. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5 MBNF Basic, EFL 15250, is a high-performance STOL, short takeoff and landing, RC airplane designed for intermediate to advanced pilots. With a 1.5-meter, 59-inch wingspan, it offers versatile flying capabilities, from slow, stable flights to aerobatic maneuvers. This bind-and-fly, BNF, basic model comes pre-installed with AS3X and Safe Select technology, enhancing stability and making it easier to control in challenging conditions. However, a compatible transmitter, battery, and charger are required for operation. The powerful brushless motor in 50 AESC provide plenty of thrust, making takeoffs and climbs effortless. The high-lift wing design, functional flaps, and large tundra-style wheels allow for easy takeoffs and landings on grass, dirt, and rough terrain. The included optional float set adds the ability to take off and land on water. The durable yet lightweight EPO foam construction ensures longevity while keeping the aircraft agile. The LED navigation and landing lights enhance visibility for dawn or dusk flying. With quick assembly and tool-free wing attachment, setup is simple and convenient. Pilots can enjoy scale-like flying, STOL performance, and aerobatic capabilities, including loops, rolls, and inverted flight. To fly, users need to purchase a Spectrum-compatible 6+ channel transmitter, a 3S or 4S LiPo battery, recommended 2,200 to 3,200 mAh, and a compatible charger. Overall, the Turbo Timber 1.5M BNF Basic is a versatile, durable, and high-performance RC airplane with STOL capabilities, rugged landing gear, and water-ready floats, making it an excellent choice for adventure-seeking pilots who want a fun and capable bush plane experience. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire FX803 RC Plane is a 2-channel remote-controlled glider designed for beginners, kids, and adults. It features a 2.4 GHz radio system, ensuring stable and interference-free control, making it ideal for first-time pilots. Built with a 6-axis Euro stabilization system, the FX803 offers smooth and stable flights, helping beginners learn to control an RC airplane easily. The self-stabilizing flight system allows for easy takeoffs, smooth turns, and gentle landings, reducing the chances of crashes. Made from lightweight and durable EPP foam, the plane is impact-resistant and flexible, making it highly durable for beginner mistakes. The fixed-wing glider design provides efficient flight performance and long glide times with minimal power consumption. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 15 minutes of flight time per charge, offering extended fun. The USB charging system makes recharging simple and convenient. With one-button takeoff and easy-to-use controls, the FX803 is designed for hassle-free flying, allowing beginners to focus on learning. The simple 2-channel operation, throttle and turn control, ensures an easy and enjoyable experience. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for outdoor flying in parks and open fields. The bright red color and realistic aircraft design add to its appeal. Overall, the Makerfire FX803 RC Plane is a beginner-friendly, easy-to-fly RC glider with Euro stabilization, durable EPP foam construction, and a user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for first-time pilots, kids, and hobbyists looking for a fun and affordable flying experience. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a user-friendly RC plane designed for both adults and kids. Featuring 3 flight modes, this plane caters to various skill levels, making it ideal for beginners, intermediates, and experienced pilots. The 3 flight modes allow users to progressively advance their skills. Mode 1 is perfect for beginners, offering easy control with basic movements. Mode 2 adds more flexibility for intermediate pilots, while Mode 3 gives advanced users the ability to perform complex maneuvers. This versatility makes it suitable for all ages and skill levels. Equipped with a 6-axis Euro stabilizer, the plane ensures stable and smooth flights, even in slightly windy conditions. This technology helps prevent abrupt movements, making it easier for users to control the plane and enjoy a stress-free flying experience. The plane's design allows for easy U-turns, further enhancing its maneuverability. The lightweight and durable construction is designed to withstand minor crashes and impacts, ensuring the longevity of the plane. Made from high-quality materials, the plane is built to endure rough landings, making it a great choice for beginners prone to occasional mishaps. The plane comes with everything needed for flying, including a controller, rechargeable battery, and USB charger. With a decent flight time, the Leambe RC plane provides hours of fun for both novice and seasoned RC pilots. Overall, the Leambe remote control aircraft plane is a durable, versatile, and easy-to-fly RC plane, perfect for those looking to enter the hobby or for families who want a fun, interactive flying experience. Its 3 flight modes, stability, and durable construction make it a great option for a wide range of users.